In 2026, the way people interact with computers continues to evolve rapidly, and one of the most important parts of the modern Windows experience is something many users overlook: Windows utilities. When most people think about Windows, they think about the desktop, apps, or maybe gaming performance. But utilities are the silent tools that keep everything running smoothly. They help users manage files, monitor system performance, automate tasks, troubleshoot issues, and customize the operating system. Understanding Windows utilities in 2026 means understanding how to get the most out of your computer, whether you're a beginner, a power user, a developer, or someone who simply wants a smoother and more efficient workflow. To understand Windows utilities properly, we first need to understand what the term actually means. A Windows utility is essentially a tool designed to analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer system. These tools can come built directly into the Windows operating system or be developed by third-party companies. Utilities perform tasks that regular applications do not focus on, such as cleaning up temporary files, managing disk partitions, monitoring CPU usage, scanning for system errors, and controlling background processes. In 2026, utilities are more advanced than ever because modern computers are more complex and users demand more control over their systems. One of the biggest shifts in recent years is how Windows itself has integrated more intelligent system utilities directly into the operating system. In older versions of Windows, users often relied heavily on external programs to optimize or maintain their computers. But by 2026, Windows has matured to include a wide range of built-in utilities that are powerful enough for most users. These tools help maintain performance, improve security, and simplify troubleshooting. Because of this integration, many people no longer need to install dozens of optimization tools the way they did years ago. A major category of Windows utilities involves system monitoring and performance management. These utilities allow users to see exactly what their computer is doing at any given moment. One of the most well-known examples is Task Manager. In 2026, Task Manager has become much more powerful compared to earlier versions. It not only shows which applications are running, but also provides detailed insights into CPU usage, memory consumption, disk activity, GPU performance, and even power efficiency. For many users, this is the first place they go when their computer starts slowing down or behaving unexpectedly. Beyond Task Manager, Windows also includes more advanced monitoring tools designed for deeper analyses. One such utility is a resource monitor, which breaks down how every process interacts with system resources. This allows users to identify bottlenecks that may not be obvious at first glance. For example, a program might not use much CPU, but could still slow down the system by constantly accessing the disk or consuming large amounts of memory. In 2026, these monitoring tools are even more helpful because modern applications rely heavily on background processes, cloud synchronization, and real-time services. Another important group of utilities focuses on disk management and storage optimization. Storage technology has changed dramatically over the past decade. Solid-state drives are now standard, and many systems include multiple drives or cloud-linked storage environments. Windows utilities help manage these complex storage setups efficiently. Disk management is one such utility that allows users to create, delete, resize, and format partitions. This is essential when installing new drives or reorganizing storage space. In addition to partition management, Windows includes utilities that help maintain disk performance. One classic example is the Disk Cleanup tool, which scans the system for temporary files, cached data, update leftovers, and other unnecessary content. Over time, these files can accumulate and consume significant storage space. In 2026, modern versions of Windows also include automated storage optimization features that run in the background. These systems intelligently remove temporary files, compress unused data, and manage downloads to ensure the system stays efficient without requiring constant manual intervention. Closely related to disk utilities are file management tools. File Explorer is technically not just a simple file browser anymore. It has evolved into a powerful management utility. In 2026, it supports advanced search capabilities, tagging systems, cloud integration, and file preview technologies. Many users rely on File Explorer to organize large libraries of documents, media files, and project folders. Features such as quick access, tabbed browsing, and built-in compression tools make file management faster and more intuitive than ever before. Another category of Windows utilities focuses on system troubleshooting and diagnostics. Computers can encounter many different types of problems, including driver conflicts, corrupted files, network issues, or software crashes. Windows utilities help detect and resolve these issues automatically or guide users through the repair process. The Windows Troubleshooter system is one example. It includes automated diagnostic tools for common problems like internet connectivity failures, printer issues, audio problems, and update errors. In addition to automated troubleshooting tools, Windows includes command line utilities that allow deeper system repair. Tools such as System File Checker and DISM are commonly used to repair corrupted system files. Even though these utilities have existed for many years, they remain extremely valuable in 2026 because operating systems are still susceptible to corruption caused by failed updates, power outages, or software conflicts. These command line tools scan the Windows installation and restore damaged components using protected system images. Another crucial aspect of Windows utilities involves system security and privacy management. Cybersecurity threats have become more sophisticated over the years, which means operating systems must include stronger built-in defenses. Windows security has evolved into a full security platform that includes antivirus protection, firewall management, ransomware protection, and real-time threat monitoring. This utility continuously scans the system for suspicious behavior and protects users from malicious software. Security utilities also include features designed to protect personal data and control system permissions. For example, Windows now includes privacy dashboards that allow users to control how apps access their microphone, camera, location data, and personal files. These tools help ensure that applications cannot collect sensitive information without permission. In 2026, privacy awareness has grown significantly, and many users actively monitor these settings to protect their digital identity. Networking utilities represent another essential category, as internet connectivity becomes central to nearly every task. Windows includes tools that help diagnose network problems and optimize connections. Utilities such as network diagnostics, IP configuration commands, and network monitoring dashboards allow users to troubleshoot connection issues quickly. For example, if a computer cannot connect to the internet, these tools can identify whether the problem lies with the router, the local network adapter, or DNS configuration. Automation utilities have also become increasingly important. Modern users often perform repetitive tasks such as organizing files, launching applications, or backing up data. Windows includes several utilities that help automate these actions. Task Scheduler is a powerful tool that allows users to set specific triggers and conditions for automated tasks. For example, a user can schedule a backup to run every night or automatically launch certain applications when the computer starts. Another increasingly popular utility is Power Automate, which allows users to create automated workflows between applications and services. In 2026, automation is not just for developers anymore. Everyday users can build simple automation systems that save time and reduce repetitive work. For example, a workflow might automatically move downloaded files into specific folders or send notifications when certain events occur. Backup and recovery utilities are also essential components of the Windows ecosystem. Data loss can happen due to hardware failure, accidental deletion, or Windows provides several tools that help protect important data. File history is one such utility that automatically backs up selected folders and allows users to restore previous versions of files. System Restore is another important feature that allows users to roll back the system to an earlier state if something goes wrong after installing new software or updates. In 2026, cloud integration has expanded the capabilities of backup utilities even further. Many users rely on cloud services to store copies of important files and synchronize data across multiple devices. Windows utilities now integrate seamlessly with cloud storage, allowing automatic backups and synchronization without requiring additional software. This approach ensures that files remain accessible even if a local computer fails. Customization utilities represent another interesting area. Many users want to personalize their Windows experience, adjusting appearance, performance settings, and system behavior. Utilities like Settings, Control Panel, and advanced configuration tools allow users to modify everything from display scaling to power management. In recent years, Windows has also introduced more advanced customization options for themes, widgets, and productivity layouts. One particularly powerful customization feature introduced in recent years is Power. This collection of utilities is designed for power users who want additional functionality beyond the standard Windows experience. PowerToys includes tools for advanced window management, keyboard shortcuts, Feely previews, color picking, and bulk file rename. In 2026, many professionals rely on PowerToys to improve productivity and streamline their workflow. Another category of utilities involves software management. Installing and updating applications used to require manual downloads and installers. Modern Windows systems now include package management utilities that simplify software installation. One example is the Windows Package Manager, which allows users to install, update, and remove applications using simple commands. This approach is particularly useful for developers and IT professionals who manage multiple systems. Driver management utilities are also essential. Hardware devices such as graphics cards, printers, and network adapters rely on drivers to communicate with the operating system. Windows includes built-in tools that help update and manage these drivers. Device Manager is one such utility that allows users to view connected hardware, update drivers, and troubleshoot device problems. Proper driver management is crucial for maintaining system stability and ensuring hardware performs at its best. Another growing trend in 2026 is the use of system utilities powered by artificial intelligence. Modern Windows versions incorporate AI-assisted optimization features that automatically adjust system performance based on user behavior. These intelligent utilities can predict when certain resources will be needed and allocate them accordingly. For example, the system might prioritize CPU power for a video editing application or reduce background processes during gaming sessions. Third-party utilities also continue to play an important role in the Windows ecosystem. While built-in tools are powerful, some users prefer specialized software that offers deeper optimization or additional features. Examples include advanced disk analyzers, system cleaners, benchmarking tools, and performance boosters. These utilities often provide visual dashboards that help users understand exactly how their system is functioning. However, the role of third-party utilities has changed somewhat by 2026. In the past, many optimization programs promised dramatic performance improvements, but sometimes caused more harm than good. Today, users are more cautious and prefer reputable utilities that complement the built-in capabilities of Windows rather than replacing them. Another area where utilities are extremely valuable is system development and programming. Developers rely on a wide range of utilities to manage code, test use software, and debug applications. Command line tools, scripting environments, and virtualization utilities allow developers to create complex workflows and simulate different environments. Windows has become increasingly developer-friendly with built-in tools that support programming languages, containerization, and subsystem environments. Virtualization utilities are especially important. In 2026, these tools allow users to run multiple operating systems on a single computer. This is useful for developers who need to test software across different platforms or for businesses that maintain legacy systems. Windows includes built-in virtualization, technology that enables users to create virtual machines without installing additional software. Another emerging category involves system analytics utilities. These tools analyze how users interact with their computers and provide insights into productivity patterns, resource usage, and application behavior. Businesses often use these analytics tools to optimize workflows and identify inefficiencies in their systems. Overall, Windows utilities form the backbone of system management and optimization. They allow users to monitor performance, maintain storage, protect data, troubleshoot problems, automate work, and customize their computing experience. As technology continues to evolve, these utilities will likely become even more intelligent, automated, and integrated into everyday work. In 2026, understanding Windows utilities is no longer just a skill for IT professionals. It is a valuable skill for anyone who wants to use their computer efficiently and confidently. Whether you are managing files, protecting your data, automating tasks, or troubleshooting problems, these utilities give you the tools needed to stay in control of your system. The future of Windows utilities will likely involve deeper AI integration, improved automation, and stronger security features. As computers become more powerful and more connected, these tools will continue to evolve to help users navigate the growing complexity of modern computing. By learning how to use Windows utilities effectively, users can unlock the full potential of their devices and create a smoother, faster, and more productive digital environment.